friendly reminder. Shut down. Unplug the power cord. Remove the magnetic outer cover and Teflon tube. Unplug the wire. Disassemble the extruder kit. Remove 3 screws on the left and right and the screws on the front. Unplug the wiring and take out the old extruder kit. Install the new extruder kit and plug in the wiring. Tightening screws 3 screws on left and right sides, 2 screws on front. Insert wiring. Install the magnetic shell and Teflon tube and load the filament. Turn on the machine. Select a filament. Extrude. Observe whether the nozzle extrudes the filament smoothly. If the extrusion is smooth, the extruder is installed properly. Click Retract. Then wait for the unloading to complete. Self-check. Click Prepare. Calibration. Auto leveling, cutter calibration, input shaping. Start detecting. Waiting for the device self-test to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.